How to permanently whiten your skin with banana. People all over the globe are looking for ways to whiten their skins. Some people pay money for this process and end up disappointed for one reason or another. Darkening skin is a part of the aging process. However, it can be reversed to a certain extent if done correctly. When the effort to whiten skin fails, it could be the result of numerous factors, such as ultraviolet rays on the skin, deposition of dead cells over the skin, or other skin-related issues such as blackheads, acne, or dark spots. According to Robert Goldfader, on his study of the characteristics of aging, as we age, melanin-producing melanocytes become victim to chronic sun inflammation and free radicals. These factors increase activation of an enzyme called triosinase, which causes uneven distribution in the epidermis, resulting in age spots, freckles, and melasma. Regardless of what factor it is, no one wants to have a darker facial skin tone than the rest of their body. Below you'll find the perfect remedies for lightening your skin with banana. A banana facial is great for permanent skin whitening. It is completely natural and can be used in 3 ways. Before we go through the lists, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. 1. Scrubbing. Use a ripe banana and mash it with a spoon in a plate until it forms a smooth, lump-free pulp. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix them both. Clean your face with a light, sensitive skin soap and use a soft towel to pat it dry. Rub the mask into your face using your fingertips. If needed, apply a second coat to make sure the ingredients penetrate the skin. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and wash your face with lukewarm water, without using any soap this time. 2. Cleansing. Use a ripe banana and mash it with a spoon until it forms a uniform texture. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix them both together. Apply to the skin very gently with a cotton ball and leave it on for 2 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. 3. Banana mix. Add 2 tablespoons each of banana paste, milk powder, and raw milk into a bowl. Then, add in a tablespoon of honey along with a tablespoon of lemon juice into the bowl. Mix well until a uniform solution is formed. Apply to face with clean fingers and leave it on for up to 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Banana, indeed, can whiten your skin if any of the above procedures are followed correctly. If you are looking for a permanent whitening of your skin, consistency and frequency is what you need to make that happen for you. Before you take such a drastic measure, it would be advisable to talk to your dermatologist first.